Are you ready? Today we're bringing you the ultimate firewood splitting tools that will change the game. Unstoppable power, incredible speed, turning heavy work into a breeze. Sit back, enjoy your tea or coffee, and let us know what you think. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment and connect with everyone now. Oh wow, is this a car trying to be Tarzan, or did aliens forget their ride? How did it get up there? Failed drift or next-gen flying car? Either way, tie it up and pull it down before the tree adopts it. Trees matter more than cars. If you know what happened, drop a comment. Oh wow, that tree drop didn't go as planned, and the fence was the unlucky victim. A massive limb came crashing down like a knockout punch, taking out the old rotten fence. But hey, at least now there's a good reason to get a new one, right?
Anyway. That's cool. That was a hell of a job there.
Wow, this wood chipping beast is ready to shake things up. Power flows from the 540 RPM PTO through a 4.71 gearbox, bringing it down to 115 RPM. Smart engineering. With a 90 mph min feed speed, this thing is hungry for logs. Built with C45 steel, rock solid. It's just a prototype now, but with some tweaks, it could be a game changer for forestry. Load it up and watch it chew through wood like a pro. Impressive, this timber trailer conquers the terrain like a moon rover. Amidst the logging forest, it powers through mud and rugged landscapes with strength and authority. Oh wow, that's some serious weight right there. The LKT is pulling a massive load, so overloaded it's lifting off like it wants to take flight. Those long logs slither through the muddy, snow-covered trail like a giant snake crawling through the forest. Power, toughness, and a bit of madness. This is what real logging machines are made of. Only the toughest drivers can handle this ride. Wow, watching that wood-carrying truck climb the hill had me on the edge of my seat. It's definitely not always easy. Having a whole team helping to push and pull is a must. Next time, make sure to choose a load that's more manageable. Don't make it so tough on yourselves. Luckily, you had two good friends helping out. Otherwise, the truck might have stopped halfway up. The wood chipping beast is unleashed. The Bandit 21XP is crushing through the iron-hard gray box eucalyptus, one of the toughest hardwoods on the planet. With its roaring 275 RP Cummins engine, this machine devours timber without hesitation. Watching it spit out sawdust like a storm is pure satisfaction. The firewood cracking superhero has arrived. This hydraulic log splitter turns any tractor into a wood-smashing powerhouse. Hook it up, unleash the hydraulic force, and boom, logs split like magic. In the harsh winters of Krasnoyarsk, this isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion. Without it, good luck swinging that axe. When the customer hires the cheaper team and the tree just wants a goodbye hug, boom, that massive branch comes down like a wrestling move. Whoops, maybe it just wanted to say farewell with a big hug. Ha ha ha. Next time, invest in the pros, unless you want more hugs than expected. Here it is, the 064 race saw with an 084 carburetor. A beast guzzling pure alcohol and roaring like thunder. Running on 100% alcohol fuel, the engine breathes freely, burns clean, and unleashes insane power. Too bad it's not rocking a race chain yet, but just wait. Once it's fully geared up, it'll slice through wood like a hot knife through butter. This homemade wood splitter that is no joke. With a 3 kW motor, a 132 gearbox, and 320mm versus 85mm pulleys, this beast delivers insane torque, turning even the toughest logs into kindling in seconds. Runs on a simple 220V setup. No need for expensive industrial machines. A game changer for serious firewood pros. An impressive scene. Amidst the vast white snow, the powerful TT4 bulldozer proves its irreplaceable role, rescuing a 40-ton timber truck from the mud. Strength, durability, and an unyielding spirit. This is why bulldozers are always the heroes on the toughest roads.
Пошел вроде. Телегу надо как-то достать еще.
This firewood saw is an absolute masterpiece. A double saw, drum saw, and lightning-fast conveyor system, turning logs into firewood in the blink of an eye without breaking a sweat. Efficient, safe, and brilliantly designed, this is proof that in the world of engineering, nothing is impossible. The powerful four-wheel drive Mazier's truck is carrying a full load of wood and towing a trailer also packed with wood, yet it perseveres through the thick, snowy road. Despite the challenging and muddy terrain, it refuses to give up. This machine is the pinnacle of efficiency. Two blades working in perfect harmony, like a dance of power and precision, splitting firewood at lightning speed while staying safe and easy to control. This is technology turning hard work into a breeze. When you're ready to saw, but the saw isn't ready, the Foley M14 is a true legend of mechanical engineering. Powerful, precise, but sometimes stubborn. Just a little fine-tuning, a bit of tweaking, and boom, logs will turn into lumber in a flash. Machines can be fussy, but the passion for sawing is unstoppable. This firewood splitter is an absolute beast. Compact, sturdy, and ready to take on even the toughest logs. The electric motor runs smoothly. No more sweating over an axe. Just load the wood, hit the switch, and boom. Clean splits in no time, effortless and efficient. Oh wow, did you see that split? This machine doesn't just work, it performs like a maestro conducting a symphony of power and precision. Every cut is smooth, every strike lands like a steel punch on the log. Safe, fast, and unstoppable. A perfect beast for anyone passionate about firewood processing. Boom, slicing through a 30-inch log in under 2 seconds. This isn't just a chainsaw, this is a V8 beast roaring through wood like it's paper. Pure power, insane speed, precision, so sharp it's almost scary. If there's a definition of ultimate performance, this is it. Watching the Bandit SG75 in action is like seeing a squirrel munching on an acorn. Clean, fast, and leaving no chance for the Stump to survive. Look away for a second, and boom, the ground is spotless, like nothing was ever there. This machine means business. Going down a steep hill with a fully loaded logging truck? This isn't just driving, it's a test of nerves of steel. A sharp turn, a steep descent, and only a golden-handed driver would dare take it on. Watching this truck glide down feels like witnessing a heart-pounding action scene. Holding my breath watching this masterful turn. A long, fully loaded log truck, a sharp curve, a steep incline. Yet the driver handles it as smoothly as a tango dancer on a mountain road. This is the true skill of a legendary driver. Bitter cold, frozen logs. But this machine works like a true pro. Just drop the log in, and boom. Perfectly cut planks appear like magic. Technology doesn't feel the cold.
Working on the countertop board, the bar top is going to be spalted sycamore. epoxy resin. And that'll do it.
This is amazing. Just drop in a log and bam! Perfectly sized firewood pieces come out. Just like slicing a perfect pizza. So fast, so efficient. Who needs an axe when you have this firewood splitting beast? Wow, can you believe it? An automated firewood packaging system. From the Metza machines, Joppa 405 firewood processor to the multi-pack packaging system, everything runs so smoothly and efficiently. I've never seen firewood bundling done this seamlessly before. This is truly a game changer for the firewood industry. No need to turn the wood. This is pure efficiency at its finest. This machine slices through logs smoothly. No wasted time, no unnecessary movements. Just maximum performance. Watching it in action is thrilling, like a sawmill racing against time. A wood-cutting beast in action, with a 4-kilowatt motor spinning at 2,900 RPM and a massive 50-centimeter blade, no log stands a chance. This isn't just cutting, it's tearing through wood with absolute precision. Maximum efficiency, ultimate power. Just feed the logs in and watch them disappear in seconds. Wow, looking at that tree stump removal, I was holding my breath the whole time. After all that hard work, it's amazing to see the lifted Dodge handle it like a champ, pulling that stump right out of the ground. Next time, let's make sure we're not testing the limits of the truck too much. But hey, nothing beats the feeling of getting the job done, right? This machine is an absolute beast. With tungsten-tipped blades, it slices through Australian hardwood like a hot knife through butter. Every spin is a display of raw power and precision. Massive logs? No problem. Cutting, splitting, breaking, all in the blink of an eye. Who needs an axe when you've got this monster? Wow. The Stihl MS462CM slices through wood like a hot knife through butter. Smooth, fast, and insanely satisfying. But hey, don't let the excitement take over. Safety first. One wrong move, and it's not just the wood getting cut. No bulky machines needed, just the check and Rex in your hands, and you're a true lumberjack. One swing, one strike, wood splits clean like magic. Power, precision, and simplicity packed into one compact but mighty tool. Who needs a gym when you have this for a workout? Stepping back in time to the golden age of woodworking. One blade, two craftsmen, and pure muscle power. This is hand sawing at its finest. No roaring engines, just the rhythmic grind of the saw and the fresh scent of cut timber. Slow, precise, but every slice carries the mark of true masters at work. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this topic, leave a comment below so we can bring you even more exciting content. See you later.